How to redeem Kobo Gift Card. A Kobo gift card lets you add store credit to your account to purchase ebooks, audiobooks, or subscriptions on the Kobo store or Kobo app. So, open any web browser, then in search address bar, type down redeem Kobo gift card or redeem Kobo code and hit enter. Once you do so, simply tap on the redeem option available at the top and navigate to his official website where you can redeem your Kobo gift card. Now, once done so, make sure that you are signed in to your Kobo account or create one if you have not already. Now, enter your gift card or PIN code found on the back of the physical card or in email if digital, then click redeem. You will see a confirmation and the credit will be added to your account balance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.